Are you frustrated with not being able to access certain features on Instagram because of your location? In this video, I will show you how to easily change your region on Instagram using an iPhone. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to change your region in the settings, allowing you to enjoy all of the features and content on Instagram no matter where you are. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start making the most out of your Instagram experience. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says, Edit Profile. So for you to change your region or country, you need a business account, otherwise, you won't get the option to enter your country and where you are based. You can convert your personal account to a business account for free. To do that, tap on where it says, Switch to Professional Account. And then tap Continue. After that, select any category from this list, it really does not matter what you choose, and then tap Done at the bottom center of the screen. One thing to keep in mind is that when you switch to a professional account, your profile will be public, so if you have a private account, it will be converted to a public account. And then select Business, because creator accounts also don't have the option to add the location. Tap Next. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Business Address, and then enter the region or country that you want to change to. So, for example, I'm going to enter Los Angeles, California. Then, at the bottom center of the screen, tap Done. After that, tap Next. And then skip this, and exit out of here. And now I have successfully changed my location to Los Angeles, California. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.